Dear students, in this topic we shall discuss the color vision. The perception of colors is based on three types of cone cells. These cone cells have one of the three color pigments. A cone cell may have blue color pigment, it may have green, or it may have red color pigment. As a result, these are three types of cone cells: blue, green, and red. Each cone cell synthesizes only one of these three pigments, not all three. So, each cone cell is selectively sensitive to a particular color range. Dear students, the three color pigments are called the photopsins. They are formed from the retinol. They are formed by the binding of retinol to different three types of opsins. Retinol तो वही है, लेकिन retinol तीन different types की opsins के साथ bind करती है, तो ये तीन different types के photopsins बनते हैं. These opsins जो कि use होती हैं इन pigments को बनाने में, color pigments को बनाने में, these have slight differences which let each photopsin to absorb light optimally at a different wavelength. और different wavelength का मतलब होता है different colors. Now, there are three basic colors or pigments in these cone cells. लेकिन we can perceive many intermediate colors. How it is possible? It is possible because the absorption spectra of blue, green, and red pigments in the three types of cones show peak absorbance at wavelengths of 445, 535, and 570 nanometers. But you can see here that the ranges of these spectra overlap. This overlapping enables the brain to perceive intermediate colors on simultaneous stimulation of two or more classes of cones. Dear students, जब कलर विजन की बात आती है तो उसके साथ ही एक जेनेटिक डिजीज का जिक्र आता है जिसे कहते हैं कलर ब्लाइंडनेस. This color blindness has a genetic basis. The reason for this is that the three types of opsins which are involved in the formation of three colored photopsins are encoded by three genes. The gene encoding for blue pigment for the opsin involved in the formation of blue pigment is located on an autosomal chromosome. However, the genes for red and green cone pigments are located on the X chromosome and are found in close proximity on this chromosome. इनकी लोकेशन भी एक दूसरे के करीब है. Color blindness is caused due to a mutation in one of these cone opsin genes. Results in the absence of one type of pigments in these cone cells. तो एक तरह के cone cells फिर मौजूद नहीं होंगे. A person which misses a single type of color receptive cones is unable to distinguish some colors. प्राइमरी कलर को भी नहीं डिस्टिंग्विश कर सकेगा और जो उससे मिलने वाले इंटरमीडिएट ह्यूज हैं वो भी डिफरेंशिएट नहीं हो सकेंगे. इस तरह से एक कलर ब्लाइंड पर्सन कई तरह के रंग आपस में डिस्टिंग्विश नहीं कर सकता. The most common form of color blindness is the red-green color blindness. We can see that green, yellow, and orange and red colors they lie between the wavelengths of 525 and 675 nanometers. ये सारे कलर जो हैं ये एक रेंज में हैं. They are normally distinguished because of red and green cones. If any one of these two types of cones is missing, the person cannot distinguish these four colors. The person is especially unable to distinguish red from green. That is why this type of color blindness is called red-green color blindness. Dear students, a person which does not have the red cones is called a protanope. A protanope person has a condition which is called protanopia. In protanopia, the visual spectrum is reduced. It is shortened because red जो है, ये red color जो है, इसकी wavelength जो है वो long wavelength है. ये ज़्यादा wavelength है. ये 700 नैनोमीटर वाले रीजन में है. और एक पर्सन जिसके पास रेड कोन्स नहीं होंगी, उसका विजुअल कलर विजुअल फील्ड रिड्यूस हो जाता है और इसे कहते हैं प्रोटेनोपिया. A person which lacks green cones is called deuteronope. In deuteranopia, the overall visual spectrum lies within the normal range. ब्लू भी देख सकते हैं और रेड भी देख सकते हैं. दरमियान में ग्रीन है और वो वाली वेवलेंथ्स पे प्रॉब्लम होती है, लेकिन ओवरऑल जो कलर विजुअल फील्ड है वेवलेंथ्स के हिसाब से वो डिस्टर्ब नहीं होता. और इस कंडीशन को में एक पर्सन जो है वो शॉर्ट और लॉन्ग दोनों तरह की वेवलेंथ्स की के कलर्स देख सकता है. इस कंडीशन को ड्यूटेरोनोपिया कहते हैं.